So again, we're asked to evaluate the expression. So again, we're going to take our numbers that are given to us. X is 2/3, and every time I see X here and here, I'm going to replace it with 2/3. And then Y is 1/2. So every time I'm going to see it, I'm going to replace it with 1/2. And I'm going to bring down everything else. A minus there, a plus here. Okay, so inside we have to do the parentheses of both of them. So let's do this one first. Okay, 2/3 minus 1/2. Now remember, when you subtract fractions, you have to get the denominators to be the same. So 3 and 2, they both go into 6. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 to make it a 6. And whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. Same with this one. I'm going to multiply this by 3. So to make it a 6. So whatever I do to the bottom has to be the top. So what it's really saying is I have 4/6 minus 3/6. Now remember, when you subtract fractions, you only subtract the top. So 4 minus 3 is 1/6. 1/6. That should be a 6. Okay? And the same thing happens on the other side. Here, I have 2/3 plus 1/2. And again, whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do the top. So I'm going to times by 2 to make it a 6. Get those common denominators that we need. Okay, so 2 again, that's going to be 4/6 plus 3/6, and you only add the tops. So I have 7/6. So on one side I had 1/6, on the other side I had 7/6. And when you multiply fractions, top gets multiplied to top, so 1 times 7 is 7. Bottom gets multiplied to bottom, 6 times 6 is 36. And there is no numbers that go into 7 and 36. I cannot reduce my fraction, so my answer is 7/36.